Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by measuring where latency appears because you can't fix what you don't know. Run ping and traceroute, record MS and any packet loss, then run a speed test to confirm throughput. Once done, switch to wired Ethernet. 1 Gbps is ideal, so you remove wireless variability. Next, close background apps and stop large uploads. Make sure to set routerco-s to prioritize your real-time traffic. This reduces contention and gives immediate, measurable improvement. You now dig into the middle steps. Identify where latency spikes occur, because routing and ISP paths often introduce delay. Examine traceroute hop timings. If a particular node jumps, contact your ISP or reroute. Once identified, update router firmware and change DNS to a low-latency resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. Make sure MTU is correct to avoid fragmentation. Also apply traffic shaping or split tunnels to keep critical flows small and predictable, which reduces queuing delay. You finish by confirming gains and creating a rollback plan. Test latency and throughput multiple times at peak and off-peak to ensure consistency. Once validated, lock configuration and monitor for regressions. If problems persist, document timestamps, traceroutes, and device logs, then escalate to your ISP or spin up an alternate route or VPN to compare paths. One key troubleshooting tip: always reboot modem and router, then test with a single device on Ethernet. That simple step often isolates hardware or provisioning issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.